Vyagrasana 2, also known as Tiger Pose. Vyagrasana 2 plays a significant role in opening up your chest, shoulders, hips, and thighs. Benefits of Vyagrasana 2: exercises and strengthens the back, tones the nerves in your spinal cord, loosens your leg and hip joints, structures your abdominal muscles, induces proper and greater metabolism, and responsible for weight loss in your hips and thighs. Thank you.
Benefits of Virabhadrasana Warrior 3 pose. Strengthen back, hips, thighs, knees, shoulders, ankles and legs. Improves a sense of balance, coordination and focus. Tones core muscles, hips and abdomen. Virabhadrasana helpful for people suffering from sciatica. Improves digestion, reduce lower body fat, helps to remove stress and anxiety, strengthen ankles, hips, knee and thigh muscles, helps to reduce back pain.
Supta Virasana or the reclining hero pose has the body reclining on the back, the hands either beside the thigh or stretched over the head. Benefits are improves digestion, helps relieves the symptoms of menstrual pain.
Mahamudra. Mahamudra improves digestion and heals stomach disorders. Mahamudra helps to remove leprosy, consumption, and colic, as well as the other diseases that are caused by indigestion. Mahamudra can effectively neutralize the effect of various toxins present in the body. Thank you.
Purna Bhujangasana. Purna means full, Bhujanga means snake, and Asana means pose. Benefit of Purna Bhujangasana: stretch lungs, shoulder, chest, and abdomen. It helps to remove backache, neckache, as well as keeping healthy.
Janushirshasana. Janushirshasana is helpful in diabetics and relieving constipation. It strengthens the lungs, thigh, waist, and calf muscles. It is effective in relieving urinary disorders, help relieve symptoms of menopause, and also tiredness and boost energy.
Naukasana helps in regulating blood flow at sugar level. It improves the health of all organs in the abdomen, especially the liver, pancreas, and kidneys. Naukasana strengthens the abdominal muscles.
Upavishta Tandasana pose is a simple variation of Tandasana. Then try seated Tandasana. Definitely, it will relax your mind and body. Basically, seated Tandasana termed as calming pose that gives the sense of breath and thus it is ideal for meditation.
Simhasana, commonly known as lion poses, is one of the most unique yoga poses. It is probably the only asana that requires you to make a sound. The Sanskrit word Simhasana is derived from two words. Simhasana stands for lion and asana, as we all know, means posture. Simhasana benefits are: Simhasana retains the good health of ear, nose, throat, and eyes. Exercises the face and neck muscles, keeping the skin tight. Develop the deep and clear voice. Removes tension from the chest and useful for those who having halitosis.
Malasana or squatting pose. Malasana stretches the thighs, groins, hips, ankles, and torso. It tones the abdominal muscles and improves the function of colon to help with elimination. This pose also increases circulation and blood flow in the pelvis, which can help regulate sexual energy. Malasana improves balance, concentration, and focus. Malasana.
Jatata Pravitanasana, lying on back and spiral twist. Benefits are: reduces stiffness in the hips, improves digestion, promotes better blood circulation throughout the body. It will help you to get rid of your emotional fatigue after a tiring day, brings balance to your body and mind, brings elasticity and flexibility to the spine, releases tension accumulated in the lower back.
Artha Malsendrasana. Benefit: it's helped to relieve back pain and improve the flexibility of spine. This asana can help in managing split disc. It's calm the mind and relieve stress.
Adho Mukha Svanasana or downward facing dog pose is one of the most frequently practiced asanas in yoga. This posture has a variety of advantages for the practitioner, like strengthening of ankles and abdominal muscles, decreased heartbeat rate, etc. It helps to improve brain functions and digestion and also decreases anxiety.
Seated eagle pose or Abhavishta Garudasana. Benefits: it stretches the joints of the wrist, elbows and shoulders. It improves the posture and it straightens the spines and makes it steady. It removes stress from the shoulders and the lower neck region. It opens up the shoulders and the chest, and it can improve the sense of balance.
Vajrasana or tiger pose, knee to nose flow helps to boost energy in the body and hence can be included in flow yoga sequences. Tiger pose, knee to nose flow is considered a warm-up yoga pose to prepare the body for more intense yoga pose.
A modification of the seated forward bent pose Janushirshasana, Parivriddhi Janushirshasana, revolved head to knee pose is the seated sideways bent posture. This pose helps stretch the spine, shoulders and hamstrings. It also stimulates abdominal organs such as the liver and kidneys and improves digestion.
Jatata Parvitasana 2 or spiral twist with knees straight. Benefits: it is excellent for the flexibility of the spine. It tones the organs in the abdomen. It improves the digestive function. It makes the hips and the lower back flexible. It also stretches the muscles of the shoulder and the upper back. This can be used as a relaxation pose for those who feel tired often during the day.
Marchar Asana or Bitlasana, also known as cat and cow pose. Kneel on all fours and arch your lower back and torso, slightly bending at the hip both sides, then arch it lower again and raise your head up. Breathe easily in and out. Benefit of Marchar Asana or Bitlasana: improve the flexibility of neck, head and spine, improves balance, helps regulate breathing, helps relieve stress.
Vasishthasana or side plank. It is straight arm stretch pose. It strengthens and tones abdominal muscles, forearms, shoulders, spines and legs. It will improve focus and concentration. It will stretch the back of the legs. The sense of balance is improved with this asana. It increases flexibility in wrists, hips and hamstring.
Uttan Padasana. Uttana means straight, Pada means leg and Asana means posture. The benefits of Uttan Padasana are: strengthens and tones the abdominal muscles, cures stomach disorders like gas, indigestion, acidity and constipation, back and thigh muscles get strengthened, helpful in arthritis, diabetes, heart problems and back pain. It also helps for weight loss, obesity, and slimming. Condition called navel displacement can be cured by this asana, and the best treatment for hernia too.
Matyasana. The asana stimulates the pituitary gland and increases the blood supply into the head. It helps in dealing with respiratory problems and is helpful with asthma and bronchitis. The asana also improves the reproductive system and regulates the flow of menstruation in women. It improves the functioning of liver, abdomen, pancreas, and intestine. The asana is also very beneficial from a psychological point of view. With regular practice of this asana, one feels relaxed and rejuvenated. It works on the head and eliminates all the negative thoughts from the mind. It activates the nervous system and stretches and strengthens the spine.
Ardha Padmasana or half lotus. First, stay in the sitting sthiti pose. Now, take a deep breath 2 times. Then, bend your right leg and place over your left thigh. Next, bend your left leg and place under your right thigh. Remember to keep your hands in Chin Mudra and hold in your knees. Your arms should be in relaxed. Remember to keep your neck and head straight. Close your eyes. Hold the pose for 1 minute. Remember to do normal breathing. Benefits of doing Ardha Padmasana. It gives stability and peace of mind and drives away stress and anxiety. Half lotus pose helps in meditation and pranayama.
Ustrasana. Ustrasana or the camel yoga pose is one of the backward bending yoga asana for strengthening the back and spine. In Sanskrit, Altra means a camel and asana means a pose. It is good posture for developing flexibility of the spine and neck. Thank you.
Vajrasana, the diamond pose. First sit you right this Sukhasana. Now stretch out the legs. Slowly bend the legs one by one. Under your sit in between your both feet. Adjust your feet be closer to the buttocks and stretch the hands forward to place your palm covering the heels.
Merudandasana. Hold your big toes and extend your legs and arms. Keep your back and neck straight in this position. Remain in this position for a few seconds. Now slowly bring back your legs. Thank you.
Brahmacharyasana. How to do? Place your hands on the yoga mat by your hips. Fix your leg muscles and abs. Breathe in and press your palms into the floor so that you can lift your body up. Benefits of Brahmacharyasana. Brahmacharyasana has lots of benefits. Among the sum of the health benefits, Brahmacharyasana includes strengthening back, abdomen, legs and hips, reduces the back pain.
Paschimottanasana or seated forward bend. It begins with sitting with the legs stretched. Raise both arms above your head and stretch up. Keep the spine erect and focus on moving towards the toes. Place your fingers on your legs wherever they reach without forcing. It helps to improve flexibility and strength, and also helps to improve position and help to tone the shoulders and stretches the lower back.
Paringasana. It is a very good side bending posture with numerous benefits. They are: it stretches the sides of the torso. It is good for people having stiff back. It opens the shoulders. It stretches the arm strings.
Sit down in thunderbolt pose. Lean forward and place the hands on the floor. Then inhale and raise the left leg and balance, then slowly bring the right hand. Look forward and balance the body. Till 5 breath, hold the pose. Release the left leg and right hand. Repeat it in other side also. Benefits of doing this yoga is: it helps to improve balance, increase stamina, strengthens back, leg, arms. This pose will make you feel you can easily accomplish anything you put your mind to.
Parshottanasana. Inhale to step your right foot back and turn it out 45 degrees. Keep both legs straight. Exhale to settle your feet into the earth. Inhale to spread your toes to help activate your legs. Square your hips by moving your left hip back and your right hip forward. Inhale to lift your chest on an exhalation. Place your hands on the floor to either side of your left leg. To release, exhale to step your right foot forward into Uttanasana. Thank you.
Siddhasana. Sit down with both the legs outstretched. Bend the left knee and sole of the left foot against the right thigh. Bend the right knee and put the right heel against pubic bone. Place your hands in Jnana Mudra. Join the thumb and forefinger of each hand and extend the other 3 fingers.
Swastikasana, the auspicious pose. Swastikasana is a good meditation pose, especially for the people who find it difficult to sit in. It stretches the lower body. The hamstring and gluteus are stretched. The spine stretches, which strengthens the back. It improves organ functioning and stimulates calmness. Thank you.
Virasana or hero's pose. Sit on the floor, spine straight and legs stretched out. Bend your knees back one by one and place your feet near your body. You will be now sitting in the floor with your feet on side. Gently breathe in and out.
Parivritta Trikonasana, also known as revolved triangle pose. In this asana, always remember to keep your knees straight. Inhale and exhale during each movement. Benefits: it strengthens the legs, feet, ankles, shoulders, hips and abdominal muscles. It activates the core muscles, which aids in balance and stability. It helps in improving the digestion. It also increases flexibility in the hamstrings, shoulders and upper back.
Uttanasana, stand forward bent. Press your palms or fingertips into the floor beside your feet. With an inhale, straighten your elbows and arch your torso away from your thighs. With your palms pushed down and back against the floor and lift the top of your sternum up and forward. You might bend your knees slightly to help get this movement, which will arch the back. Look forward, but be careful not to compress the back of your neck. Hold the arched back position for a few breaths. Then with an exhale, release your torso into full Uttanasana. Benefits: stretch the front torso, strengthens the back and improves posture, stimulates the belly. Thank you.
Ardha Buddha Padma Vrikshasana, half bound lotus tree pose. Standing Tandasana or mountain pose. Separate your feet about hips width apart. Bend your right knee, hold the right angle with the right hand and place heel on or above the left thigh as high as possible. The sole of foot should face sky. Grab the right angle with the left hand and bring the right hand back and try to hold the right big toe. Stretch your left hand towards the sky and cool at any fixed point in front of your sky in the pose for about 30 seconds, breathing normally. Benefits: strengthen thighs, calves, ankles, glutes and spines. Strengthen the groin and inner through chest and shoulder. Improve flexibility of knees, hips and ankles.